Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So today we are going to start a new chapter. Okay. So before that, if you get one chance, so today your parents are going for shopping. Assume like that. Okay. Today your parents are going for shopping, and they are not taking you with them. But they told that if you want anything, you can just write down the items that you want. So after hearing this, what you will do? What you will do? You will go.
Write the items that we want.
Yes, you will take a paper and write down the items that you want, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you get this golden opportunity, so friends, I would like to know what all things do you want from your parents? Yes, friends. Say this is a golden opportunity for you. I will definitely call your parent. Yes. And tell them to buy that things for you. You don't want anything? Such a good boy. Oh my God. What about Shreya? Tell. You can ask. No problem. I'm there to support you. No problem. Ask. What do you want? Oh my God. Afridi, what all things do you want? Unmute.
No, I don't want so much things.
You want something. I know that. What things do you want? Definitely, I will call a parent and ask them to buy that things for you. What thing do you want? What thing? Yeah.
Good graphics card.
Then?
That all.
Tattoo.
That only I need.
That all only. Okay. Elsa, what about you?
Ma'am, only one thing I want. I want a flight back to Oman.
That is not available in the shop. Gauri, Gopika Shankar, what do you want?
There's nothing I want right now.
Repeat. Yeah.
There's nothing that I want right now.
Oh, Faizan.
Ma'am, I only want food that they'll buy automatically and bring. Snacks and all they'll buy. And then I'll have to tell only, or else they won't buy. I'll tell today I want these snacks, they'll bring. And then I want a better laptop.
Asif, what do you want from your parents if they're going for shopping?
Actually, I don't want to say that they will do something for me.
Repeat.
I don't want to say anything. There is one brother for me. Then if they buy something for him, same thing also I will get.
Oh, my students of HC are so good. Oh my God. Surya, what about you? Miss
Ma'am, I want this new book that came to market. But right now I just bought one book. They will not buy another one.
Okay, what about Anna? I'm just waiting for a list. Yes.
And I want BTS concert tickets.
Gopika, Parvati, and Amruta.
Ma'am, like food items, dresses, and like cake items. Like I want to bake.
Okay. I know that most of you are ready to write a list, isn't it? So today in this chapter, we are going to learn about list. Okay. Have you ever heard about list?
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, today we are going to learn about list in HTML. You all are familiar with this word list, isn't it? So you can note down the chapter's name, list in HTML. So lists are a great way to represent information to our audience because they break the information into manageable pieces. Okay. So series of items can be preceded with a bullet or a number or an alphabet. So there are two types of lists. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about lists, which are the two types of lists. So here in day-to-day life, you all have a list of your friends, isn't it? Then telephone list is there. Then do you have any backlist? Which means that any dislike, do you have any enemies or like that? Do you have a backlist? Girls and boys? Probably girls will be having. Do you have backlist? Which means that people who you dislike, Any list? Yeah, girls is
Um,
having like that. Yeah.
Instead of that, there is a section of blocked people on WhatsApp.
Yeah, but we have a list in our mind, isn't it? The people who like and people who we dislike, isn't it? So everyone is having a particular sort of list with them in their day-to-day life. So basically, there are two types of lists. Note down this: ordered list and unordered list. So could you please tell me what do you mean by ordered list and what is the meaning of unordered list?
In order, in alphabetic order, or
Yes.
Like-
What about unordered list?
not in order. As in,
Not in order. So, could you please tell me if we are writing a recipe, that recipe comes under which type of list? Ordered or unordered list? Which type of list?
Ordered.
Ordered. Very good. So today we are going to first we are going to discuss about ordered list. So an ordered list is a list of items with numbers in front of it. Not only numbers, we can also use alphabets. Okay. So something needed to be done in a specific order. In that case, we will go with ordered list. Okay. So if we want a list of items which is to be in a specific order, we will use which type of list? We will use an ordered list. Okay, so each items in an ordered list is been preceded with number or alphabets. So this is all about ordered list. So could you please give me one example of ordered list? Could you please give me one example for ordered list which is related to day-to-day life? Which is just related to day-to-day life? Yes.
Book.
Timetable. Yes, then?
Certain routines.
Yes, very good. Routines. Yes. So you're familiar with the type of order list, isn't it? So shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here you can see different examples for the order list. Here you can see we have used numbers, alphabets. Then what is this? Roman numbers, isn't it? Yes, there are different ways to represent our list in our ordered list. So now we are going to learn the tag related to the order list. For ordered list, we use OL tag, okay? And each items in the list is being represented with LI tag. Each item is been written inside this LI tag. Here you can see one example, okay? So can you just tell me, is this OL tag an example for container element or empty element?
Container.
Yes, why container element?
It has a closing tag.
Excellent. What about LI tag?
Container.
Container element. So here you can see the code for that. So you please note down this code. So here you can see that first we have to write OL tag. So order list starts with which tag? OL tag, and each item of the list starts with LI tag. And after mentioning each item, you have to close that LI tag. Okay, at last you have to close OL tag, and here you can see the output for this tag. So please note down for order list, it is, we use which tag?
OL.
OL tag. So by default, the list of items, so the items of the list has been preceded by numbers. Note down this code. First you have to write OL, then LI, then after writing down the items, after that you have to close OL tag. Any doubt regarding this slide?
No, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So please note down the output also. You can see the result down. Yeah. Is it over, Albin? Albin, is it over?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. So first you have to write OL. Okay, if I want the output like this, orange, mango. So how can I write this?
Ma'am, OL tag, then
Hmm.
next line LI tag, and orange, and then close LI tag.
Close that LI.
And then next line again LI tag,
Okay, we have
mango, and close LI tag.
LI.
Mango.
LI.
L like that.
Mango.
Close L tag.
Close.
Then at
And
last,
then close OL tag.
OL tag. Very good. So shall we move to the next one?
Yes.
So from this slide, you will get to know that we can make lists with capital letters, lowercase letters, uppercase Roman numerals, lowercase Roman numerals. Okay, we can make lists with using not only with numbers, we can also use capital letters, lowercase letters, okay, uppercase Roman numerals and lowercase Roman numerals. So if you want to see, this is the syntax. If you want to change the type of this ordered list, so what is the syntax? If you want to make, if you want to use uppercase letter, first we have to write OL, then put a space, then we have to write type, then put equal sign. Inside that, you have to specify which type of letters do you want. If you want capital letter, you have to write like this, and you have to close this tab. Okay, here you can see the syntax. So you can use not only the numbers, you can also use letters and Roman numerals also. Okay, please note down this. If you want to change the type of order list, you have to write down this code OL, then put space, then write type, then put equal to in double quotes. You have to mention whether it is small letter or number, whatever you want. So here you can see an example for this. So this type attribute for OL specifies the type of numbering you like, isn't it? So here you can see different types for number. This is the default one. Okay, so second one, if you want to use uppercase numerals, you have to write like this. For lowercase, small I, for uppercase letters, and for lowercase letter. So you can note down this. Okay, so there are different types. So which is the default one? The default is number. Okay, so which is the default one? It is number. So you can also use uppercase. If you want to use uppercase letters, you have to write A. If you want to use lowercase letter, you have to use small a. For upper case numerals, you have to use capital I, and for smaller case, you have to use small I. So which is the default one? Which is the default one? Which is the default type?
Number.
Number, excellent. Was it clear? Any doubt? So who is going to share the screen? So who is going to share the screen? Yeah, can I stop sharing the screen? So who is going to share the screen? Should I call you? You all know that even though if we are using phone, you can also do. So from, I would like to call Hisan.
Yes, ma'am.
Share the screen, my dear.
What?
Yeah, okay, type the code. Others, please note down the code, okay? Yes, document. So this is the title of this document. Then close the head. In the body tag, we have to write. Yeah. So what we have to write? Okay, first use OL. Write the OL tag. OL, then close that. Okay, inside LI. If you want a list of colors, you just type a color there. Green, orange, something like that. Close LI. LI. Then in the next line, then red. Okay, then close OL. Okay, now close body and HTML. Now run the code. Save. So what is the extension? What is the extension?
.html.
.html. So here you can see the output, isn't it? So by default, it will be number. If we want to change the type, so what change we have to do? Hasid, what change we have to do?
Ma'am,
What change we have to do in the code?
ma'am, by
Okay, wait. Hasid, wait. Gopika Shankar, take the screen once again. Take the notepad. Yes. Hasid, go ahead. OL. What we have to type after OL?
ma'am, OIL.
Huh? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have to type like that. Huh? What we have to type after OL? If you want to change the type, what attribute we have to use? Hasid. Afridi, what type we have to, what attribute we have to use?
For what?
If you want to change the type, instead of number, if you want to use alphabet, what type or letter, what we have to do?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. We have learned that. Yes, Nasreen, what we have to write?
Yes, ma'am.
What if we want to change the type? What could we have to write?
Ma'am, capital.
OL space. Yes. Faizan, what we have to type?
Type.
Yes, type. Gopika, type there. Type. So all of you, please note down this. If you want to change the type, you have to write type equal to, in double quotes, you have to put. If I want capital letter, then I have to write there capital A. Write there capital A, then close this. Okay, now save and run. Okay, so this is the code that we have to write. Now let's see the output. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And can you show that one more time?
Yes. Okay, say Gopika, take the notepad. So here you can see after writing type, then we can specify the type that we want. Okay, Gopika Shankar, you just type there instead of capital letter, you just type small letter. Let's see the difference. Save it. So what will be the output? See, here you can see the output. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And if we want Roman numbers, Gopika, take the screen once again. Instead of here, we have to type. If I want capital 1, write capital I. Save. See the change. Look at the screen. Okay. If I want Roman number, smaller one, instead of capital I have to type what? I have to type what? What I have to type there?
Lowercase I.
Yes. I think you have not saved that. Save. See, is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Gopika, for sharing the screen. So for order list, which type of tag we use?
OL.
OL. So next, who is going to share the screen? Who is going to share the screen?
We will share.
Okay, wait. Jonal Joseph. Share.
Ma'am,
You're using
I'm
phone.
using.
I am using phone, no problem. I like phone. Yes, I love to do in phone. Yeah, share the screen.
Ma'am, I don't know where is no.
I will tell you. Take share the screen. I'm going to call each and everyone whose video is off. Yeah, John, share the screen. Yeah, you can erase, okay, in title, wait, I'll tell you what to do. In title, you can see hello world, you can change that title. You can type document 1, something like that. You just type document, yeah. Document. Okay, now second line, link, you can erase that line. You can erase that line. Yes, the second one. Go slow. Write the title once again. Write the title tag. How to write the title? First, you just put greater than sign. How to type? Sorry, put yes, less than sign, that angular bracket. Yes. Erase that. Look at the head. Guide him. Others, please guide him. Click that 1 by 2 on the keyboard. No. Click that 1 by 2. Look at the keyboard. Look at the keyboard, my dear. Above ABC. Guide? Yes. Yes. Now type title. Close this. Not like that. Erase. Now use that greater than sign. Okay, inside that you just write document. Document. CUMENT. Okay, now come to the body. Inside the body, you can erase all. Go slowly, okay? Not that one. Right body there. Right body. B or DY. There you can see a line. Yes, close that. Use greater than sign. Okay. Close. Okay. Erase that closing tag of body next to the cursor. So go slowly. Put greater than sign. It's okay. You just erase that H1 line, the line below that. H1 PN script. Erase that. Go slowly, okay? Come to the third line, script, then erase. Come to the third line. Keep on erasing. Go slow. Erase the above line also. Go slow. Okay. Erase the P line also, paragraph. Yes. Okay. At the top, you can see a closing of the body tag. You can erase that also. So go slow, okay? Okay. Is that okay? Now come down. Okay. Type OL tag. How to write a tag? Yeah, OL. Close that. How to close? No. Greater than sign. Okay, inside that, in the next line, come to the next line. Press enter key. Enter between the OL tag, you have to write. Place the cursor between. Yes. Press enter key. Down arrow. There at the last, you can in the keyboard you can see one arrow. That press that one. Okay. Type LI. LI tag. Tag. It is tag. Li. Okay. Okay. Now type orange. Okay. Now go up. Run that program. There is an option run. Up, 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 up. Yes, run. You can see. Show us the output. I think it is on the next, on the right side or down. Yeah. Here you can see the output. Is that clear for all? And if I want to change, what I have to do, journal? Inside that OL tag, I have to type. Place the cursor there. Above the opening of the tag, opening of OL tag. Yes, inside that. After L, okay, type space, put space, type, right type, equal, then put double quote, put equal to sign. Then in the double quotes, inside the double quote, you just write capital A. Down, you can see the double quotes. Down. Yeah, there. Write capital A. Okay, you're using small a. If you are using, no problem. Okay, now close that tag. Greater than sign. Put greater than sign after. After a, yeah. Not that one, the other one. Close. Erase. Yes, now put greater than sign there. Close that, erase that OL. Not that one. Yes. Go slow. Erase that also. Okay, now run. Go down. See, here you can see the output. Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Jonal, thank you for sharing the screen. So here you have seen the different types. Okay, so here you can see if we type capital A, this is the output. Okay, if we type small a, so this is the output. Here you can see the difference between the output. Okay, and if we type capital L, here you can see the Roman numbers list. And if you type here small I, here you can see the lowercase Roman numbers list. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about, now we are going to learn about unordered list. For unordered list, in which case we will use unordered list? If the collection of items that do not have a specific order sequence, at that time we will use unordered list. For that we will use, for unordered list, we will use the tag UL. Okay, and each item by default it has been marked with a bullet. So this is the point regarding the unordered list. So which tag we will use? For unordered list, we will use UL tag, and which is the default one? Bullet. Okay, if we have the, if it doesn't have a correct order, then we will go with unordered list. From this word itself, you will get a meaning about this. So same thing for unordered list, it starts with UL tag and each item starts with LI. Same. So the only difference when you compare it with the order list is that instead of OL, we will use UL. Here you can see the difference. Okay, so the list item has been marked with bullets. So which is the default one? Small black circle. Is that clear? For unordered list, you will use UL. Is that clear? Any doubt? So if you want to change the type, what we have to do? Can you just give me the output of this one? What will be the output? Tell me, what will be the output? Is this ordered or unordered list?
Unordered list.
Unordered list. So how will, what will be the output of this? Will it be preceded with number or bullets? Bullets. So the output will be like this. Here you can see the output. Okay. Yes. Doubt? Any doubt?
UL tag instead of the OL. So it's
Yes. It is for unordered list. Is there any doubt? Okay. What about if we want to change the type? Okay, by default it is disk. And if you want to change the type, we have to type like this. Instead of A or I, we have to type like square, disk, and circle. So which is the default one in unordered list? Which is the default type? It is disk.
circle.
Yes, disk. It is disk. Okay.
Mm.
So if you want to change the type, you have to type like this. UL, then after that you have to type the word type. Then you have to put equal to sign. Then in double quotes, you have to specify the type that you want or the type of bullet that you want. So there are different types: square, disk, and circle. And here you can see the output for that. Here you can see if we type disk, okay, if we type disk, the output will be like this. And if we type circle, the output will be like this. And if it is square, it will be like this. Is that clear? So in ordered list and in unordered list, you can see the difference. So for ordered list, which type of tag we will use? Which is the tag? Which is the tag? Is it OL or UL?
OL.
tag.
OL, excellent. What about unordered list?
UL.
UL. So there is one question for you. Tell me, UL stands for what is the use of this UL tag?
Unordered list.
Very good. It defines?
Unordered list.
Very good. Note down this. It defines an unordered list. Okay, what about the next one? UL, OL stands
Ordered
for
list.
Ordered
defines
list.
an ordered list. Very good. And
Ma'am,
what
if
about
you
the
say
third one?
bullet- Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
If you say bullets, does that include I, A, B, C?
No.
Roman number?
That is ordered
No.
list. Okay.
No, ma'am. Does bullets, if you say bullets, does it only mean the dot ones or the A,
No.
B, C,
Any
D?
symbols. Any symbols.
symbol,
Yes.
right.
Yes. Yeah. So what about LI?
List.
List.
Very good. It
Amma.
defines a list item. Okay. It defines a list item. Please note down this. I hope the concept regarding this chapter is clear to you, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Noor is there. Okay. So I hope the concept is clear, right? Do the
Yes.
practical. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.